Hello, welcome back to the Escapades. So for today's episode, I'm going to show you the step-by-step method of applying your National Hospital Insurance Fund, also known as NHIF. You can do this for yourself in the comfort of your home, but you will not be able to add your dependents in this particular method. So you have to go to the website, then go to register online. You are going to open this portal and go to self-employed, where you are supposed to enter the prompts, or you're supposed to enter your details in the form that they have supplied there. So you enter your identification, you are a Kenyan or an Aryan first of all. From there you enter your ID number, and make sure as you enter these details in the form that they tick on the right hand corner. As you can see, every time you enter a detail, make sure it has a tick showing that each and every detail is right or is correct and matches your ID or your credentials. So from there, after you enter your full names, you're supposed to enter your date of birth as I shown below. Make sure also that is tick or it's correct, or it is marked with a tick sign on the right hand side. From there, you are supposed to choose your gender, your marital status, your postal code. Make sure you put the correct postal code, your where it's located, the address. Make sure you put your email. Make sure you put the correct email. Okay, they don't contact you through email. Mostly they contact you through your number when you go to any hospital, but it's also important to just put your email. So put in your number. Make sure tentatively make it a Safaricom number, because of the network coverage. If you're in the rural areas and you don't have a good coverage of other networks, it might be an issue for you. Mostly confirming that you are the one who is accessing a service for NHIF in a particular hospital. So put in your number. From there you have to put the county of residence. Which county are you in? Then you have to select the office of NHIF that is near to you. Then from there you have to upload your ID, a scanned ID, both sides. Make sure you have scanned both sides of your ID. So you'll have to scan that, both sides, then upload it either in PDF, JPEG. They don't accept a Word document. So from there you'll have to upload a picture of your passport photo and crop it. After that, you just press submit, and you should get a particular form or a particular tab showing you your NHIF number and all the details, like shown below. Just give it a moment. It takes a moment to load, but finally it should give you your NHIF number. So after you have gotten your NHIF number, you can go to any Huduma center where you can add your dependents if you do wish. So that one. Thank you for registering for NHIF. So from there you can either screenshot the number or just print it if you are in access of a printer. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.